And in Japan, the death toll from the heavy snowstorms battering the country has risen. At least 7 people have been killed and thousands have been injured as the storms continue to pummel Tokyo and other areas of the country. According to Japan's Meteorological Agency, it's the heaviest snowfall in the country in 45 years. More than 20,000 households are without electricity, nearly 1,000 flights have been grounded, and many roads have been closed. Earlier, the government issued a severe snowstorm warning in Tokyo, urging residents to stay indoors. Forecasters say more snow can be expected. Last year, parts of northern Japan had as much as 5.5 meters of snow, a record-breaking amount that caused buildings to collapse under the immense weight.